I'm Veronica Whitley. I'm a homeschool mom, and I've used BJU Press materials for over 10 years with my children. I never thought I'd be homeschooling, but now I can't imagine doing anything else. Getting all of your boxes is so exciting. If you have several children or ordered multiple courses, there's going to be a lot of stuff. The first step is to take some time to think about how you want to organize your materials. If each child has a dedicated workspace, maybe you want their books kept there, or maybe you want to use a central bookcase for everything. You'll need to keep teacher's editions and answer keys separate, of course. Don't worry though if your setup isn't perfect. Even after years of homeschooling, I'm still making little adjustments. The second thing to consider is where to do your unpacking and organizing. I suggest finding a clear space with lots of room, like your dining room table or your living room floor. So finally, all your boxes have arrived. Like I said, it'll be a lot of stuff. I separate the materials by grade and subject first, and make sure that I have all the materials needed to teach that course. As you work through unpacking and organizing all the materials, keep in mind that this is your homeschool journey. BJU Press provides tons of opportunities and resources, but you get to decide which to take advantage of. I love the freedom to use the pieces that best fit my family's needs. If you have any questions about your materials, you can contact your local Homeworks consultant or even BJU Press at 800-845-5731.